I got a bad feeling about this.
AGFILMS.
Another day. Today I'm not working on my own car. It's standing just right behind me. But today we met with Honza because on the weekend we are going for drift days and we are installing a handbrake, hydraulic handbrake. So it's a simple one, Chinese one with 0.7 cylinder, but should work. And we have hard lines as well. So Honza is now lifting up the car so I can get under it to connect the line. So I try to explain how it's done on a Miata. Hope it will be useful.
See. Soft. So much space for activities. Zip ties.
It looks more like a trash can.
Condoms. Condoms everywhere from last summer. Maybe not going to put it back. Drift car.
So we're removing the center console to make a mount for the handbrake.
Yes. Let's make the paper template.
And we also flipped the cylinder. We flipped the cylinder to be other way around, so it's facing down, so you don't see all these ugly lines inside your interior. And also we painted it in black, just to blend into the interior as well. Now Honza is searching for some paper to make a template for the metal bracket to fit the handbrake. And I will try to push this fucking crazy hard line through the hole you made. Why you remove the rubber?
You want to keep the rubber there? No.
Yeah.
Where's the rubber?
It's not here. You removed it.
Ah, it's here. Okay. No, just put it through the rubber, and I will put it on it. Just put it here. Yeah.
Don't drag it all. Just put the rubber in.
Okay.
I need to go under the carpet.
Like this. I want to.
Now drag it down and put it under the carpet.
Ah, okay. You're too nice to my car.
Huh?
Just go down, down, and up.
Up?
Yeah.
I'm in?
Up. Yeah, you're in. Yeah, and you hold it by the carpet. So let me cut the smoke.
No, don't cut. Just bend it.
Bend it. I cannot bend it under the carpet.
Push it to the firewall side so I can push it deeper. Mr. Cutter. It will be good. Around millimeter out, and millimeter is the inside part also.
Should we loop it somehow or not?
Nothing. Just the thing is, the question is the only one here, because this metal is hard as fuck. Will I have enough energy to actually do it?
Well, stop.
What?
You should put maybe the fitting there.
What fitting?
This thing. What?
Ah, shit! Oh shit, I already fucking squeezed everything.
Yeah.
And by the way, this happens to everybody.
I heard it.
Yes. And I did it so many times and again I did it. Fuck. I hate myself. Yeah, should be good. Look.
You think it will?
Look,
be
perfect with the edge, you see? Yeah, show it on the camera. Here, we just made a flare. Perfect with the edge. Really nice. Should definitely go in.
Agnes, the
That's
flare
awesome.
boy.
Yeah! Okay.
we're done. 3 more to go. Mounting the prototype bracket, especially made in Germany by Handbrake.
Okay, no way.
So we
Say
can
what you're doing.
so we can mock it up where it goes. Can you give me the handbrake?
Yeah, sure. Here's the handbrake.
So we'll mount it somewhere here. Yeah.
I will cut them off. Okay, one is attached. Let's move more further. Let's see. Connector is just here behind, so we need to get there. So let's attach this line. Fuck my eyes. Trash from the car. Okay, so we have the line here, so we'll just need to cut it in right this place and put another attachment for the connector. Should be the same. Okay. Okay, go make the front.
For my friend. Very good, my friend. Very good. Maybe too good.
Okay, let's remove it and check it out.
Never fucking doing this thing again. I'm buying the Teflon. Teflon was easy, fast, and all the good things. This is like the old school way if you are really not paid well.
Ben, did you put the thingy? Seriously? I know the answer. Other end is not flare, you can still put it, but you need to drag it through the whole thing.
Yeah, but there is a rubber thingy which goes through wires. Oh, there are some wires there, so you cannot do it.
What if you drag... Oh, okay. I don't know, you can still try. But yeah, everybody fucks up on this thing, so it's normal.
I'm doing this for the first time. But it's nice flour.
Nice, nice flare.
It's such a nice flour. But it's useless.
Very nice flare. So let's explain the simple engineering, how it works. So first of all, this is the hydraulic brake cylinder. We flipped it just so it looks better. We have 2 connectors, and many people think that the back one goes to the back and the front one goes to the front, but no, that's not right. The right way is this one, the bended one, goes to the rear brakes, and the one in the back goes to the actual master cylinder or ABS block, or literally saying to the line which goes from the front. You connect to the back one, then the front one you connect to the back brakes. So on Miata, here in the back is very comfortable because you have this little connector in here which separates brakes to the both rear wheels, and here you have the line to the separator. So you just unscrew this line, take the one going from the hydraulic handbrake and screw it into this small, I don't know, socket in here in the back. So there are 2 ways to do it. Either you screw this end to the small connector here, and the leftover line you connect to the other end, or as we did to keep the ABS and everything, so we connected the other line straight to the ABS. So other line goes to the front through the firewall. It goes in here. Here we have it. So we push this line here. We bended it nicely to go around. And this connection in here is the rear brakes. So from the master cylinder, everything goes to the ABS block. These two connectors, and this is the front, this is the back. So you need to connect it to the back one, to this one. So that's about it. Bracket, how you make it, it depends on you. Just to make it comfortable for you in the right position, we made it very simple. One line screwed to the gearbox shifter mounts. That's screwed into this one, and we will make one more from the back so it holds more stiff. Some people weld some bracket or something like that. Well, it literally really depends on you how it's more comfortable for you. So yeah. Now Honza is unscrewing the connector. Brake fluid is leaking on his face.
Yes.
He probably enjoys it. Getting high a little. And yeah, this is a line from the handbrake. He's trying to connect it back.
We're bleeding some brakes here. So Arnas is pushing and I'm doing my favorite job ever. It's curling under the Miata. Yeah, push and hold. Should see some bubbles.
It didn't pump yet.
Pump, keep pumping.
Goes down till the end.
Because it's open, it's fine. Stop it. Maybe we should refill the reservoir so we don't fuck it up completely. One more. There's never enough brake fluid. Full.
So this is another day. We are again with this supercharged Miata. And why we are here another day again? Because the handbrake came with the Chinese cylinder, which didn't work. We tried to bleed it many times. So we bought another one. Now we're trying this one. We wanted to buy the Vilwood one, those are usually the best, but they didn't have it in place, so we're trying this OBP. We heard it also should be quite good. So now Honza is bleeding the brakes, his girlfriend.
Yes.
Looks like we're getting more progress this time.
Nepompuješ ručku, jo? There's no air. No boosting there, but still.
Yeah.
It's no torque. To be air rims. But it will work. More bleeding. And I think this will be better when we bleed it again.
Yeah.
Police?
Yes.
bad is that?
It's just about the bleeding, I think, now, because it already works, so it's good. So we achieved what we needed to achieve. Now it's just bleed, and it should be fine.
I got a second pump, it breaks. So yeah.
Can you pull handbrake a few more times? Back to the garage.
Oh, it's
Yeah, your
More
music
bleeding.
sounds like police.
more bleeding.
More bleeding, but it seems like it's working, so it's good.
Good.
Achievement unlocked.
This achievement.
So yeah, I think that's it for this episode. So you know how it's done. So just bleed it a lot and long until it actually starts working. So thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, share, and do your handbrakes. Peace.